guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will show you a very easy, super quick cheese chips with cheese dip sauce on keto. Vince and me are planning to have some alone time, watch a movie and just have some nice time, and we really like to eat snacks. And because it's a stay-in time, we are going to make homemade snacks. And if you want to see more of these videos, then hit the red subscribe button. We are doing recipes, tips, basics of keto and intermittent fasting. We're recording our journey. Yeah, so let's get started. You will need a tray, baking sheet, cheese of your choice. Just make sure it's a zero-carb cheese, and a cheese cutter. You cut some slices with the cheese cutter and just place them on your baking sheet like this. Alright, so all the cheese is here, and now you put them into the oven on 200 degrees and bake them about 10 minutes, and let's see if that's enough. So I preheated the oven, and now I will put in the cheese. Until the cheese chips are getting done, we're gonna make our cheese tasting sauce. You need one sour cream, one box of sour cream. This is 2 deciliter, and nutritional yeast, and I will link the ingredients in the description box below for you. And then we're gonna heat up the sour cream in a pot like this. So you heat up your sour cream on low degree until it's a bit bubbly on the sides. Now we will just take this off and add 2 scoops of nutritional yeast. This is a great source of your B vitamins. Natural B vitamins is much better than to take synthetic ones. And we just make this together like this. If you want, you can give one more good stir underneath it, so it's a bit melts together. Okay, pretty much this is the consistency you are looking for, and your very nutrition vitamins dense cheese sauce is done for your cheese chips. In the meantime, our cheese is done. This is the done form. When you see a little bubbles melting, just take it out. It was about 10 minutes in a preheated oven, and you just put it aside and let it cool down. When it's fully cooled down, it will harden and will be a real cool chips. Okay, I think they are pretty good now. This is the format, and this is a cheese chips. You can eat it with your sauce. What we just got done, here is the sauce. And I like to use also this one, some sausage sticks, to just dip it in and have it as a movie snack. Yeah, so that's it basically. Voila, here is the cheese chips, the sausages, the dip sauce with bunch of B vitamins. Nutritional yeast is awesome. If you want to get it, hit the description box below and go on our page, buy this product. It's really good. Everybody needs extra B, especially on keto. And I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.